In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do auto speech to text on Google Docs Mobile using voice typing. This is a great feature for when you're on the go and need to jot down ideas quickly without typing them out. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Google Docs app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from your device's app store. Once you have it set up, open the app and get ready to create a new document. You'll notice a plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you'll begin your new document journey. Once you've tapped the plus icon, you'll see the option to create a new document. Select New Document to get started. This will open up a blank document where you'll be able to input your text either by typing or by using your voice, which is what we're focusing on here. Now, here's the fun part. You need to locate the microphone icon on your mobile keyboard. It is usually found next to the spacebar or among special keys like emoji icons. Go ahead and tap this microphone icon. What this does is activate your device's speech recognition feature. Remember, this might look slightly different depending on the type of keyboard app you're using, but the process is generally similar across platforms. With the microphone activated, you can start speaking. One of the best tips I can give you here is to speak clearly and at a moderate pace. This will help Google Docs better understand and transcribe your speech with accuracy. You might want to try enunciating your words clearly to reduce the number of potential errors in transcription. Don't worry about long pauses. Google Docs will typically handle these fine, but keep them brief to maintain the flow. If there's a mistake, you can always step in later to manually correct the text. This speech to text feature is perfect for capturing ideas when your hands aren't free, or if you just prefer speaking over typing. It can save time and effort, and you might find it becomes a more natural way to input text as you get used to it. If you're using this feature for longer documents, it could be helpful to occasionally pause and give your phone a moment to catch up, ensuring everything is captured just as you intended. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use auto speech to text on Google Docs Mobile using voice typing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to play around with this feature to see how it fits into your workflow. If you find it useful, share it with friends or colleagues who might benefit from this convenient tool. Thanks for watching.